There's a chap over here who's got a pair of cowboy boots on, but I think the product might even be Australian, but who knows? Let's go and find out. Hi.
Hey.
What's your name?
I'm Hatton.
Hatton.
What's your name?
My name's Lucy. Where are you from?
I'm from Alabama.
Alabama, so we got it completely wrong. Can you tell us a bit more about what your product is, please?
Yeah, sure. So Campesino Rum is a company that I started after I spent 2 years living in the Panamanian jungle.
Wow.
Yeah, I ran an illegal rum still down there way back in the woods.
Wow, but you look very young. How old are you?
I'm 25.
Oh, wow. So how long have you been producing this for?
We've been live for about 3 months.
Oh, wow. So can you tell us a bit what types of rum that you do have? Because it's you can see a white rum and you've got a dark rum.
Yeah, that's right. So we have our silver, Campesino Silver, which has been barrel aged for 2 years, and then it's charcoal filtered. So it comes from Trinidad and Nicaragua. So what I do after I moved out of the jungle is I traveled around the Caribbean and Central America, working with the world's finest rum distilleries to take their product and create my own custom blends.
Oh, wow. So let's have a look at the products here.
Yeah, for sure. So you see this snake right here, right? So you see the X's on its back? That comes from a symbolism of the fertile ants. So down in Panama, the fertile ants is the most venomous snake in Central America. And one of my buddies, who's a campesino, the word campesino means farmer, he got bit by one. And so he walks with a limp now. And so for the silver, because it's got a little bite to it, I wanted to throw that on there. And then you see the Jaguar here, because this is our aged rum. It's a very fine rum. Jaguar is the queen of the jungle. So I wanted to throw homage back to the big cats that I used to hike with.